In front of me is Realme GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching settings and hitting display and brightness. Then scroll down and click on font. Now tap on one of those. Select apply and wait. As you can see, after that, style of my text has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, select font. Tap on more on the right. Select one of those fonts and click on the best one. Then hit apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!